Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another. I can't do it when my thing is when I'm holding. Let me. Welcome back. You can't see me. Better. Welcome back to another video. I don't know why I have so much energy because I've just finished writing some notes, but listen, you find your energy where you can. So this week's video is going to be a video on time management. I know you may be thinking, Tatenda, is that so boring? I know, but it's needed. Yeah, my channel is about me expressing, telling you guys, showing you guys everything that I go through, from the good, the bad, the ugly. The reason I'm making this video is because I have just started uni. Not started, but restarted the semester, and I am 3 weeks into the semester. Let me be 100% honest. I'm struggling. Like, I'm so overwhelmed, and that's just, putting it lightly. But yeah, that's what the last semester of your unit is about. It's about stress, it's about crying. I haven't cried yet, I'll let you know. I haven't cried yet, but yeah, I am feeling a little bit overwhelmed, and I know a few of us are starting uni soon, or this year, or are in uni and you're struggling like me right now, or whatever. So I just wanted to make this video to just have a chat, sis to sis. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about time management. I'm like on my tippy toes and it's hurting. The top tip for time management is this. I know you may be thinking, what the hell is this? Let me show you. Let's come closer. Let's come together. Let's sit together. All right. A planner. Every year, get yourself a planner. When I say every year, I mean every year. Get yourself a 2019, 2020, 20, whatever year it is. Get yourself a planner at the start of the year. I got my partner into doing this. My boyfriend now gets a planner every single year because of me, because of the influence. But so you guys need to get a planner too. It changes your life, let me tell you. Okay. Let me tell you. Let me show you my planner right now. This is my planner, and pretty much I write in it every single week. My tip number one for you guys is to take time out of your week at the start of your week. After church, after my Sunday nap, I come home and I begin writing out on my planner. So I begin writing out on my planner what I'm going to do for the week coming up. I do this all on my planner. It doesn't mean that I'll be looking at my planner every single day, but writing it down, sitting down and writing things down, it's like in school. You'll remember it more and you will put it in your head, in your long-term memory. So you're more likely to remember it and not miss deadlines, not miss events. And if you need to cancel things, some of us who cancel a day before or the day of, if you need to cancel things, you need to cancel it by Sunday, because you've already gone through your planner and seen your schedule and what's happening. So making sure that you allow yourself to have enough time to study and to relax is really, really important. Relaxing is very much important. It's as much important as it is for you to study and stuff. So please, while managing your time, it involves you managing yourself, so that involves your mental health as well. So for me, I watch Netflix in my blanket with my electric blanket on, and that's enough for me. That will do it for me. For some people, they need to take a bath when they come back or take a shower, whatever it may be. Do what you need to do. So I always pack my lunch the day before, and I always pick my outfits the day before. So I always check the weather to see what the weather is going to be like. So tomorrow it's 12 degrees in Showerth. I'm out of breath. But I'll be inside, I'll be at work, so, but still, we'll dress for the cold. Hey guys, don't mind the hair. Not sure what's happening there. I just came back from uni. It's now like nearly 4 p.m. My camera battery is just about to die. Another time management, self-management tip that I would give you guys is to manage people around you. So to manage the people around you that you can manage. So for me, when it comes down to WhatsApp, WhatsApp can be booming every single day, and there's a lot happening and there's a lot of messages coming in, especially when you're involved in the church and you're in leadership roles and stuff. Certain times during the day I will not check my phone. In terms of, I will not check those messages. I will text my family, my friends, as in immediate friends, and also my boyfriend. But in terms of everybody else and everything else, I will wait until I get home, so a time like now, to then start replying everything, because it can become quite overwhelming for you to sit there and reply 10 different, chats, and some of them require you to do things and stuff like that. So better to just, for some of us who have read receipts, to not open it until you're ready to open it and then reply. Another time management tip that I'll probably give you guys is to sleep on time. Always try to sleep around the same time every single day. So for me, I go to bed between 10:30 and 11. I try to go to sleep earlier, but around 10 o'clock I start rounding down and getting ready to go to bed. So by sleeping at the same time every day, you sort of train your body into believing and thinking that at this time every single day, it becomes quite habitual that at this time every single day we need to start producing melatonin so that we can go to sleep. Especially for those of us who are in uni or go to work and stuff like that every single day, it's really important for you to sleep at the right time, because that allows you to be at your peak and to function at best, because you're getting the right amount of sleep every single day. It's not fluctuating. The next tip would be that you need to give yourself rewards, whether it be time off to watch your favorite Netflix series, whether it be snacks. For me, it's snacks. Whatever it may be, give yourself rewards for when you've completed something in the time that you need to complete it. So for me, it's study. Study is not fun, and sometimes you're tired and you really don't want to. So when I complete a snack, I like to eat some of my favorite foods, whether it be something that's in the cupboard, a muffin, or something like dinner itself. I like to give myself rewards for when I've done this stuff, because it's motivation. It gives you motivation to do some of this stuff that you don't really want to do. The next tip that I'll give you guys is don't be afraid to ask for help. I know it can be tough sometimes, and I know it's very easy to get overwhelmed and stuff like that. So it's really important for you to say when you need help, or ask for help, or delegate, especially when you have multiple roles that you're juggling, such as uni, school, this, that. Don't be afraid to delegate and say, I need help. Can you help me do this? Can you take over this? So that you can do what's important. So the last time management tip that I'll give you guys is that you can't manage time. The only thing you can really manage is yourself, because time is constant. Time is always ticking. Take care of yourself and do everything that you can to make sure that you are doing the best that you can in your life, and you are doing the best that you want to do in your day, in your hour, in your second. Because at the end of the day, no matter who you are, no matter if you're Rihanna, no matter if you're, some kid in Tanzania, no matter if you're some newborn, we all have the same amount of time. That's the constant. That's the constant in the equation of life. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your time management tips and tricks. Tell us down below what you do to manage your time, and tell me the tricks that you've learned or something that you've taken out of this video. Make sure to turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week on Friday. Mwah.